Imagine sketching your ideas with the use of AI. There's a cool online tool that lets you create a flowchart from just using a few prompts. It's called Excalidraw. This tool lets you sketch out your ideas so you can use them as a visual aid. You can also use it straight from your browser. There's no need to sign up. There is a pro version though, but we're just going to test out the free option. Obviously, it has the very basic setup. So the most interesting part of Excalidraw is over here, this little symbol with the triangle, square, and the circle. Once you click on it, it gives you all of these options. And let's go to text to diagram. So here I wrote a diagram that explains add view, search intent, product investigation, and purchase. We click generate, and this is what we have. So once we have this, this is a preview, and we can click insert, and now we have the flowchart over here. When I managed a lot of accounts in the past and I had an agency, this chart, for example, would have been very helpful to help explain to clients how ads work and how they showing it in a PowerPoint did the job, but maybe something like this would have been just a little bit more helpful. Now we can edit this any way we want. Obviously, we can change the colors. Let's see, let's pick, right? We pick the user ad view on the top here, and we can change the color to that. Let's go back to black. We can change the thickness of the lettering, the font, how we align the text. And once we're done and we have something that we like and we want to share, we just click share up here, and you can export a shareable link. And that's basically it. That's Excalidraw. It has that sketchy hand-drawn style. It feels very professional. The website is very lightweight, and there are very few distractions, so it's a very basic menu. And I think this allows you to have a little bit more freedom when trying to sketch your ideas. So if you have any idea you want to try to sketch out and turn it into a flowchart, try out Excalidraw. It's a fun little tool. So thank you for watching the video, and that's it. So thank you for watching.